Help and support. To the outside, not in the middle. Wide, wide.
Go, kick it.
Drake.
Kick it, let's go.
Not down the field. Spread it out, spread it out.
Cross it. Cross.
Get ready to take that shot. Pass it back. Way to press, way to press. Hey, remember, you guys can pass backwards, okay? You can pass backwards. Moonlight ball tonight. I have one. Wide, wide! Throw. Colton, down the line, Colton, down the line. Down the line, Colton, not in the middle. Break, break. Kid number one's pretty fast, man. Center! Look at Colton, look at Colton. Nice cross. Talk to him, Colton. Knock it down. Go wide with it, Fisher. Make your pass wide. You got time. You got time. Drake, to the side. To the side, Drake. Good self pass. Beautiful self pass. I think I got on that one. Good self pass, Fisher. Good self pass.
Fisher.
Okay, off the net.
Nice hook.
Nate, off the net. Thank you. Yay! What's the next quarter? After one quarter?
Got to touch two people. Drake, shift in that way. He's not going to kick it over here. Oh, no, that's okay. Never mind, never mind. No, not down the field. Toward him. Hurry up, Colton. Your player. Go. Look at how that ball looks.
Corner.
The ball just looks bright orange, orange, dude, on here. Colton,
chip it.
Play over here. Play a little deep, right there, just in case it goes wide. Header.
Chip it up.
Header. Oh, do it again. Bring it out a little bit.
A little harder, Ike.
Ike, bring it out a little bit. Colton, as soon as he kicks it, you got to charge in. If the ball's not going to you, go to the ball.
Go to an open spot.
Right there. Bring it out a little bit. Ike. Good try. Good try, Colton. Game in the morning is 8:30, right? Okay, so, and you're not going to be there, right?
I think it's going to get rained out.
You think so?
I'm going to bring Fisher. If it's on, I'll bring Fisher in the morning. And check the website.
Yeah, they'll say if it's fielded.
It'll update it at 6:30, so...
Knock it out! Nice!
Oh, good try, good try.
Good touch pass, Colton. Good touch pass.
Boys, back up. Back up. Back up. Colton. Back up.
Sweet.
Ike, get some air on it, Ike.
Kick under the ball more, Ike. Under the ball more.
There it is. There it is. Oh.
Just re-kick
Do
it.
another corner. Do
Another corner, ref. Another corner. Kick it again. Another corner. Corner. Do it again. Use that header, Colton. Use that header.
Scoot back a little. Whistle blue. Give it to the
Whistle
ref.
blue. Give it to the ref. Dude, that ball just looks fluorescent through here, man. That's awesome. Huh?
Colton, take the shot, Colton.
Just like in the backyard, Colton. Aim. Concentrate. Back it up. Get a run on it, son. Get a run on it. Colton, get a run on it. Take your shot. Take your shot, Colton.
Everybody over.
Get a run at it, Colton. Shoot. Hang on. Wait for the whistle. Wait for the whistle. Nice. Good pass, Colton. Way to hustle in, Fisher. He made it. I got that.
See this? They're lucky they could have played in the snow.
No, Ike.
Oh!
Good job, Ike.
No, dude. They live in another state.
Where do you guys live?
Utah. That's my auntie's live. But she lives like the debate. My birthday's on the debate. Obama in Salt Lake City. There's Salt Lake City that's in the mountains.
It's almost over, guys. A few more minutes. Knock it out, Colton. Take that shot. Quick. Boom. Hit it.
They have big mountains and they're steep. I've been up one.
My two older daughters were born.
Come on, Fisher!
Nice save.
Throw
Go,
it.
Drake,
Throw Drake.
go.
Look at Colton. Look at Colton.
Throw, quick. Go. Oh, Colton, good move, buddy.